Hello, how are you guys? I hope you are well. Today, I am going to introduce you to the Perspective Warp tool in Photoshop software. Okay. I take a gift box like this as an image. That's exactly what I cut. That's when this works just fine. First, you need to make this box a smart object. It can be done this way. Then a mark like this will be displayed on the layer. Then click Edit. Then click Perspective Warp. Then a tool like this will open. With that, I click on one side of a box like this 4 times and cover it. The other parts are covered in the same way. Look at the highlight on the second cover, and it joins the other part. The other parts are covered in the same way. Right now we are switching from layout to warp. Now you can change the subject as you wish by changing any pinpoint. If you want to change the pin again, you can use the layout option. Okay, it's time for me to go today. Good day.